Why
Of
is
course
your
they do.
hair floating on your scalp?
Why are you making fun of me?
Like, what are you threatening me?
Oh,
Oh,
he's
but
like,
should-
get back, savages. Whoa!
I should have made my hair white so they couldn't tell the difference between us.
Well, I wasn't going for you.
You were going after me, bitch.
No, I was going for music, but music was chasing you. Well, I just had to random respawn.
Wait. Oh no. Oh, sliding is so far.
I blame out.
I have fresh
Yeah.
water.
I need a soda and a canned food.
You don't have
Get
your
out! Get out!
Yeah, get out!
No, I have a water purifier.
We're all gonna
Purifying
die.
that water.
My health
Water
is
intake.
still not at full.
Put your shit in the back.
How'd you make a boat?
You made a
All the
boat?
shit Josh
Oh,
did.
that's what that icon is. How,
So you said you already got everything from upstairs?
I got a
Oh my
diamond ring.
God.
Wait, how do I leave? Wait, no, I don't want to be here. How do I stop? Help! Stuck! P to push boat?
C is to get out.
Bye!
What the fuck? We go fast when you're pushing it.
So, like,
Hello.
hi! How do I get out?
C.
Oh, okay. Wow, somebody else get in there and fucking push the boat. That was awesome.
I could tell by the screaming. It was really fun.
Oh
Wait,
god.
I think
Wait, I can push the boat myself. What the
Hey,
fuck?
look, there's a
Oh, but he's
Hey,
got
get
a
over,
spear.
Lynx, get over here. Get over here. Dude, I found a diamond ring we can sell over here.
Fucking
Holy-
Lynx is just gone.
Lynx,
Oh, I passed it.
Lynx. We're over here, buddy. We're
I
over
was
here.
spamming P, okay?
Damn.
I need a pickup.
Yeah, P for pickup. Thank you.
These days, people will take whatever.
Links.
Good dog.
I like how that person says, these people usually just take whatever they want. Meanwhile, I'm over here taking whatever I want in the back.
Oh, he got a gun. Okay, I'm out.
What?
Can they
He
aim
got a
down?
fucking gun. Fuck that. Get jumped. Get jumped. Get jumped. Oh, I'm out. Yeah, don't come over here. There. There.
What is that fucking sound? Oh yeah, that's. Oh god. Okay. Goodbye. Lynx. Lynx.
I found the lesser of all the evils you guys have
He
fucking.
fucking left me.
Oh, Josh is wearing heels too.
Yeah.
Wow.
I found me a pair.
I'm bleeding out.
How do I get out of this boat?
Push us out. Oh,
What is
God. Oh, God.
Lynx, what are you doing?
I need to make another storage.
Wait, they were fast.
Hey, do you like my mask?
Oh, I'm jealous.
Oh, God.
Oh my God.
Wow, this fucking crazy ride is over.
Oh, I'm so dead. I'm gonna die.
Oh.
But,
Oh.
You already found a neon sign sliding? I love it.
guns
What?
hurt, guys.
You found the neon sign back there.
Guys.
Yeah.
I watched Lynx die.
In this chest right here, this farthest to the right, I want you guys to take one of those.
I'm decorating your thing.
Thank you.
Did you get one? Oh, okay.
What? What am I looking at?
You put a bicycle.
On your door. Yeah.
I have no idea if we can or not.
Did you just fucking shoot me?
What? No.
What just happened? What are you doing?
I was trying to figure out how we could pick them up.
Oh my god, I'm not playing this game. They have a fucking sort button.
Yeah.
Oh, do
no. Yeah, they do.
Sorry.
I'm scared. Alec is like here, and I'm like, what chest do I put stuff in? And she's just peering at my
It
back.
doesn't fucking matter at this point.
Alright, who are we going to go raid?
I'm still cooking.
Oh.
Why is there a dresser way up there?
Fuck.
I was testing things. I gotta know my limits.
And how did that go?
Well, I have a fucking dresser on the walls.
We'll see.
Oh, there's one there.
I'd hate to have to destroy your house to get it.
You can't.
Do you want to test
Actually,
that theory?
You actually can destroy the house. We can move everything slightly.
I don't know, I'm just cooking stuff. I'm gonna grab some wood though.
Alright, I'm equipped with a crossbow.
Oh, what?
Whoa, I just did a fucking barrel roll. Help!
I'm currently destroying an entire enemy raft with a crossbow.
Where you at? Hi, sliding.
Oh. Hey, Alec, I found a skirt if you want a skirt.
I'm okay, thank you.
You want to keep your prison pants?
Yeah. Because I'm a badass.
So I wanna see from your stream how quickly it goes whenever I spam push on this.
Okay, ready, go. Yeah.
I mean, that moves pretty quick. It doesn't flip around like yours does, so I think that it's a plus.
Yeah.
Yours just kind of loses control.
Whee! Whee! Oh no!
I was expecting you to get shot, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't flip around like yours does, so I think that it's a plus.
Yeah.
Yours just kind of loses control.
Whee! Whee! Oh no!
I was expecting you to get shot, I'm not gonna lie. There's quite a bit of people on this island.
I'm scared. Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh my god, he's got a shotgun!
He's got a shotgun.
Bring me that shotgun.
I can't get off
Holy-
this fucking rock.
It's a double barrel shotgun.
Yeah, bring me that
Oh
shotgun.
my god, that hurts. Oh, okay, shotgun's dead.
Oh god, there's two in there. Ah! Oh, it's my
Oh shit! Retreat!
Sliding, are you?
Where's he
He's
at?
on top of the roof right there. See his feet? Oh, are we try hitting his feet?
Oh! I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead.
Oh god.
Out the window?
Yeah.
Trying to peek between the holes. Oh, good job, Lynx. Get hit, Lynx.
No.
Ooh, military backpack.
Ow! Yeah, I got hit. Yep. I'm going home, guys. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
I just
Hurry
need you to stay right. Nope, just stay there for a second.
Hurry up, motherfucker! I'm dying.
Fuck that. I'm gonna.
I
take
need to
this
try to
shit
get
back.
my stuff, but there's a guy there.
Oh, you coming, Josh? Here.
That's not what I want. That's not what I want. I wanted. Okay, I'm good.
repair everything. Oh, this one's fucked. Oh,
Ow!
look
Oh.
out! I'm looking at the floor. I can't see. Oh,
I killed a shark.
almost out.
Either.
Her white pants were obvious though.
Ow.
Oh, I put sulfur. There's sulfur and charcoal and everything ready to go to make the ammo.
Let me get out of your fucking way, Jesus Christ.
This man's just hitting everything.
Look how the chests are
Oh
about
my
to break.
fucking god.
Okay, we're good. I repaired everything.